Texas, we have a lot of treats for you. You're going to show off all of your tricks.
He's already so excited.
Yeah, here's some kibble.
Oh, well, that fell.
Okay. Oh, hello.
Texas, come.
Hello.
This way.
No, don't do this again.
Please.
Don't do this again.
Go.
Out that way. Good boy. Go on.
No. Sit. Drop. Good boy. Good boy.
Do you have any more kibble?
Yes, I'll go grab more.
Okay.
Do you want to
You stay away from me. You cannot jump on me. I just had my appendix removed. Do not jump on me. Texas, say hi. Say hi to everyone watching. Say hello. You know she has the foods. She has a tweet.
Do you want me to try something else?
Yeah,
I'll
like
go
shake.
No. No jump. No.
Back. Back.
No. This one. No. Good boy.
Beautiful view. Beautiful view of the butt. Also, yeah, be careful.
Stop. Sit. Drop. No. Drop.
Good boy.
Up. 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 I said up. No. Not that much.
Try shake.
Shake. No.
Did you see that? He tried to shake.
Good boy. You're a good boy.
Such a good boy.
Okay, I want to grab more kibble peoples.
Yes. What should we call the viewers? Wait, in the comments of this video, everyone say what you would like us to call you guys.
And
Maybe Papeos. Yeah, maybe Texas.
No.
Do you like the idea of Papeos? Do you want them to be called Papeos? I think he likes the idea of Papeos. You can sit on the barbecue.
Sit. I said no.
He's like, but I can drop. That's my other trick.
No. Up. Sit. Oh, did you just growl at me?
No, he's just talking.
You're sassy. I said sit. 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 Please. Oh, fine. Eat it.
Oh.
Sorry, guys. I'll be grabbing more.
Yeah, I'll
Okay. Oh, good boy. Hello. Hello.
The iPad remains alive.
Hello. Hello. Yes, hello. Yes, hello.
You're wearing a lot of pink today, aren't you?
I don't really like. Oh, I wouldn't do that.
Yeah, got some, and I'll put it on the very top of the
I've got
barbecue.
two.
Very top.
Tex, look, I've got kibbles. Sit. Shake. 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 Buddy.
Do you want me to try?
If I give you one, will you shake for me? Okay. Texas, get it? Okay, now sit.
Do you want me to try with for you?
Sit. Okay. I'll just give this to you because you're being a sassy boy.
Texas, come.
So maybe.
Okay.
Okay, I'll film.
Okay. You going around the long way, all right? See, there's one piece of kibble. You get it if you don't jump. Good boy.
And if you jump, she'll have to go back to hospital.
Yeah, and you don't want that because I won't be able to see you for another few days. Okay, good boy. Shake. Good boy. Other paw. Oh, okay then, baby. Gentle. Gentle. Good boy.